Hey guys, today I've teamed up with Sally Beauty to bring you this really fun, bright summer neon tiger nail design. This was super easy to achieve and everything I used for this manicure is available at Sally Beauty. To get started, you'll want to apply a base coat to protect your natural nails and help your manicure last as long as possible. I'm using the OPI Infinite Shine Primer Base Coat because it dries with a little bit of a tacky finish, so it's really going to grab onto the nail polish. Next, I'll be using OPI Alpine Snow and applying one generous layer to all of my nails. This is a little bit of a trick to making your neon polishes pop without having to do a ton of coats. Just pop on a white base and then you won't have to apply that many layers of the neon polish. Next, I'll be using China Glaze Orange Knockout, which is this super bright neon traffic cone orange color, and I'll be applying 2 coats of that over top of the white base. And neon polishes always freak my camera out, so here's a little bit of a different lighting shot so you can really see how vibrant this polish is. Next, I'll be using a China Glaze Stripe Rite nail art polish to create the tiger stripes. To create the stripes, I just created different Y and V shapes. I think it looks most tigerish if you make the stripes horizontal across your nail, but you can totally switch it up and do these in any direction that you'd like. I also think it looks really good if some of your stripes or squiggly lines are disconnected here and there. I was inspired to do this design because I've been seeing so much neon and animal print in fashion lately, and I feel like it's such a callback to the 80s, and I love it. I think this looks really pretty with this bright neon orange, but you could also do it with a lime green or a hot pink, pretty much any color you'd like, and it would look super cool. So before we apply our matte top coat, I'm first going to use the OPI Infinite Shine Top Coat and float a layer of this over top of the design. This is going to prevent any of the stripes from smearing when we apply the matte top coat, and it's going to give the matte top coat a smoother finish. Then once the shiny top coat dried, I applied the matte top coat. And there you have a really easy neon tiger nail design. Don't forget to check the description box for all of the items I used from Sally Beauty. And if you give this look a try, don't forget to share a picture with me. As always, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.